Good evening to all of you and the eminent panelists here. First few slides will talk about why real estate, and then we should take you through the group as such, followed by the upcoming and the ongoing projects of ours. Now, you could just read these slides and relate to it, that the best investment on earth is earth. And a lot of it has been proved over the number of years, and especially in a country like ours. Everyone wants a piece of land, but it's the only sure investment. It can never depreciate like a car or a washing machine. So land, real estate is something which will always be valued across all asset classes, across everyone, across all cities. Especially in countries like ours and China, real estate is something which is really valuable. 99% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate, which is also a true fact if you look at the overall scenario. We are predominantly a Bombay-based developer. Our expertise are into residential. However, we have done resi, commercial, we've done retail, across all the regions. But our strong focus still remains on residential development. We've completed close to about 4 million square feet till now, completed and delivered. And the potential ongoing is close to 30 million square feet that we have. Our primary focus, as I said, remains at residential. In about 17 years, 18 years that we are into the business, we have been awarded and recognized quite a number of times, right from the International Property Awards to Realty Plus to Z Business, till about Mixed Use Development, India Pacific Property Awards. Few of our ongoing projects. The first one is Oriana. This is in BKC Annex. It's not in the BKC, it is in BKC Annex. There's a place called MIG at Bandra, which is where Oriana is. Oriana has 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Construction is on. We should be ready in about a year and a half from today. The next one is called as La Reve. La Reve is in Khar. It's a typical residential area, so being dominated by the people who would like to reside there. It has 2 and 3.5 BHK into it. Now, why this has an importance is not many developers in Khar or Bandra create 2 BHKs. Most of it would be large-scale apartments ranging from 3, 4, 5 to penthouses, but nobody creates 2 BHK. So that is something which is a plus or a selling point for us. This is one of our ongoing projects at Juhu, Upper Juhu, called Elements, Rustomjee Elements. Why this is unique is because it's a 5-acre development which we have, and 5-acre is something which is unheard in areas like Juhu. In fact, it is unheard in any of the city spaces that you have, and this has a prominence because of that. So this has luxury apartments, 3 BHK, 4 BHK luxury apartments into it. One side of the property faces the sea. You have a nice open and a sea view there, and the other side faces the Airport Authority of India land, which is open and which will remain open throughout the life. So very few spaces in Bombay where you have these openness. So this is one amongst them. Elita again has 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK apartments. Project should be ready in about a year and a half's time from now. Urbania at Thane is a 127-acre layout, which has again a mixed-use development. Being a township, you have all the aspects of townships, right from residential to commercial to retail to hospitals to school. So Urbania will have everything into it. We have delivered quite a number of flats. A substantial amount of stock is under development, which will be given out in phases to people. We are in the process of tying up with a lot of large brands for schools, for hospitals, and all these things which are going on here. So that's the final saying, you see, which my friend also said it, don't wait to buy real estate, but buy real estate and wait. And that is something which has proved true to most of the investors who have done it till now. So as he said, there is no right time to buy. All the time is a good time to buy, and which holds true in our country and our city at least. Thank you.